Hey guys, congratulations on getting this far to learn more about the violin. If you haven't, this is the first lesson you've watched, I recommend going through this whole playlist as I set you up perfectly for success on the violin from start to finish. Everything you need to know to establish good fundamentals, good technique. It might not be the way that you've learned so far, but that's okay, but it's going to get you to have that fresh start that you might have always needed to start really seeing progress and efficiency on the violin. So in this lesson, we're finally going to be putting everything together, putting together all the drills we've worked on. We've built flexibility with the bow hand. We've established good solid left hand technique with Mary Had a Little Lamb. And we finally have gotten to the point of understanding the four parts of the bow stroke. We have proper tools on the instrument. We have stickers representing the notes, everything that we need to know at this point to start seeing some good sounds. So what I want you to do is basically put the left hand concepts together of playing Mary Had a Little Lamb and everything that we've learned in the last two lessons with establishing proper bow stroke with the right side. So basically, it's going to be not easy to do, but just warm up with open strings, warm up just doing basically what we've learned in the last two lessons. Then right after that, go into Mary Had a Little Lamb to get solid finger spots and comfort there. And then it's going to feel more comfortable putting this together. So here we go. Just like that. So hopefully you kept your bow moving. Hopefully you're bending your wrist. Hopefully you're using that index finger to guide and transition the bow. Hopefully you're keeping your elbow level, not coming down here and just having a solid elbow in relation to the instrument. Hopefully you had all the things we've talked about with the left hand, height of the hand, good solid finger placements, thumb position. We went over the four steps of the hand in all these previous lessons. So at this point, you're going to get a couple bounces, you're going to get a couple screeches. Always know that those are caused by tension. Okay, we've talked about tension in previous lessons. That's basically where there's something pressing up against the bow this way or this way, and it's very commonly the thumb and the pinky that does that. So we have to lessen that amount of pressure and just have those relax and use just the index to get that solid tone. So if you just use the index to do what we just did and you're not pressing against the bow and you're bending the wrist and you're not using the arm, you should be able to get a solid, clean sound, even I'd say perfect sound if you do it properly. You can do this at the beginner level if you do everything right. Don't think you're just a beginner and it's going to sound bad. You can establish it properly and perfectly. So have some fun with this. Continue working on the left hand pizzicato with the open strings and then putting them together. Don't just from now on only do everything together. It's going to be a lot to put everything together. So keep in mind, it just takes segmenting, focusing on either one, and continue to do the drills, and then you can move on to the next lesson.